Hey guys, what's up? There's another video. So today, I was in the bath. I was watching the best fidget toy for school, and then the fidget cube won, and then I dropped it in the bath water, and it sucks. Well, it still works fine. Hopefully, it does not rust like a fidget spinner, and that sucks. Hopefully it doesn't rust like fidget spinners. All the things work fine. The disc works fine. Look, everything works fine. This clicks, it rolls, these spin, still this clicks, that spins, this still works. Everything works. Except for this one, because you don't have to do anything with this one. All you gotta do is like, just rub it. And yeah, hopefully it did not like get rusty or anything, like, just sad. I've only had this for 2 days, yesterday and today. And, hope you guys enjoy this video. Just like the video, comment, and I'm so sorry, Zero and myself. And I feel bad for myself and Zero, so. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.